Welcome to Retro Sparkle Designs. Today we will be going over how to attach sleeves in the round and not in the round. We will be beginning not in the round. I will be using the comfy set top today for my example piece here. So I have my shoulder seams already sewn together, and then I have my sleeve here. Take your sleeve, pin that center point of it, and then you will be lining that up with your shoulder seam of your top. Put your sleeve right sides together with your top and then pin along the armistice. You will want to line up the edges of your sleeve with the edge of your armistice. Go ahead and sew that together and repeat for your other side. And then you're finished. Now we will be doing a sleeve in the round. So again, I'm using the other side of my comfy set top here. And we have our shoulder seam sewn together already. And we will be taking our top, folding right sides together and sewing along the side seam. You will also need to take your sleeve part, fold in half right sides together and pin along the short edge and sew that together. That way your sleeve is around. Keep your top wrong sides out and flip your sleeve piece right sides out. Find the center point of your sleeve, and that's going to be at the top part there. You can go ahead and pin that, and then you're going to want to place your sleeve inside of your bodice. So take your sleeve and insert it into the armistice sleeve bottom first. Line up that center point with your shoulder seam, and then line up the seam on your sleeve to the seam on your bodice. Then go ahead and pin around your sleeve and then sew. And then you're finished.